Hello folks, welcome to our channel. Today I want to tell you one thing. I was working on a project and an error occurred, and I just encountered that error, and I wanted to tell you that how you can solve that. Okay, so this is a video to solve that error, right? Whenever you are working on Bedrock, suppose you are working on Bedrock in AWS. Okay. And there you want some model access. What you want? You want some model access. So what you do, you just enable all those models, right? In model access, you just enable those models, right? You just refresh them and somehow you get this error. Let me show you. Okay, so here is my Amazon Bedrock in services you can see. Okay, so whenever you are working with Amazon Bedrock and you are making an AWS Lambda function and then integrating them to work. Amazon Bedrock, let me introduce you to this. So basically, it is a fully managed service that makes AI startups and Amazon like available via an API. Okay, so you can choose from a wide range of like foundation models to find the model that is best suited for your use case. So suppose if you are working and like you are building or scaling generative AI applications, then you can use this, right? So let's get started. You can try this Bedrock. So for this, in this left hand side, what you do, you just do this model access, right? And when I was working with it, so this is a error which you will face very often, which is a request failed. Suppose I wanted to work with courier service, okay, and here it is failed error. So let me just introduce you how you can manage that. There is one case. If you will like click on this manage model access and then you will click on this, and then again if you will refresh it, then also I'll be getting same error. Why so? Because there is one case, okay, you might check your IAM permissions, okay, if you have correct IAM permissions or not. And if you have given all the IAM permissions very correctly, rightly, so there is one more way to tackle this. You can change your payment method, right? So here, if I see this, so why this request is being failed? Because I have invalid payment instrument. A valid payment instrument must be provided. So you can, what you can do. So while creating AWS account, it asks us that what you want, like what, how do you want to pay? Okay. So in payment options, what you can do, you can just use credit card option, right? Credit card options if you are having any. Okay, because these days debit card options is having these all problems. I just encountered that because I have used debit card, right? So if you are using a debit card, then what you can do, you can change that option to a credit card option, and then if you will access this Bedrock, then you might get your things corrected, right? So this is one thing, and this is how you can just change your payment in this billing and cost management. See, my default payment preference was basically debit card. Okay, it comes together, credit and debit card comes together, this payment method, and you can choose your credit card method to tackle that to overcome to this problem, right? So that is what I wanted to tell you about this problem. So these are basically very common problems that we face, and this is how you can uh, tackle it. Okay, you can overcome this problem, right? So that's all for this video. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, thank you.